What's up, you guys? In today's video, I want to show you how you can make as much as $1,200 in one day, pretty much doing no work on complete autopilot. And this is a passive income strategy that can make you a lot of money online, and you'll earn tens of thousands of dollars every single month without ever having to create any content yourself, without needing any sort of website. This is absolutely worldwide and is 110% absolutely for free. So if you want to make passive income online on complete autopilot, doing hardly any of the work yourself, make sure that you watch this entire video because I'll show you everything step by step. Guys, I want to show you a brand new strategy that you can use utilizing YouTube, creating compilation videos utilizing a TikTok. Okay, guys, this is a strategy. This is a niche that's absolutely blowing up at the moment and people are crushing it. But I want to show you how you can get these channels monetized, number one. And there's another way that you can make money utilizing this type of channels, this type of niche, and crush it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that towards the end of this video. So what are these people doing and how are they making money utilizing YouTube with this TikTok niche that's absolutely blowing up? I'm going to show you a few channels like this one over here called Vi6. Okay, this channel over here creates compilation videos that they get from TikTok. They never need to create any of these videos themselves, but there are a few tweaks that you may need to make to these videos in order for you to get them monetized. But I'm going to show you another way that you can also make money with this strategy, guys, that potentially you don't even need to get these channels monetized. You can still absolutely crush it with this strategy. When you come over here, you can see some of these videos are 25 minutes long. Some of them are a little bit shorter. You can see this person is really trying to make their videos a little bit longer, but you don't necessarily need to do this. Now, the thumbnails themselves, when they create these thumbnails, they're pretty much using a site called canva.com. And what they're doing is they're coming over here, they're taking, say, a snippet from the video themselves, and they're just pasting it on the Canva template, and then they're uploading them and they're creating their thumbnails. Very, very simple to create these thumbnails. And as you can see, this person over here is posting every couple of days, 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 6 days ago. They're getting 61,000 views, 132,000 views, 226,000 views. And you're probably thinking, but Alan, are these channels monetized? They absolutely are monetized, guys. Here is that channel over here, Vi6. Here is a video I clicked on, and here is an ad that's playing on their channel. So these channels are monetized. These videos are getting monetized. And if you come over here and have a look, they've also got other links inside the description of their videos, okay? And then they've got tags over here. And what they're also doing over here is any type of music that they're playing on these videos, okay, they're paying credit to the artists over here. Very, very important, so that they don't get into trouble with YouTube, okay? And you can do the exact same thing, okay? And when you come over here, guys, I just want to show you very quickly, what their most watched videos are. If we go to most popular, okay, you come over here and have a look, and you can see that some of their videos are getting over 20 million views, 21 million views, 24 million views, 18 million views. So the views are there, and this niche is absolutely blowing up. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to put all this together. Very, very important. And when you come over to Social Blade to see how much this channel is making, now I'm going to show you roughly what they're making. Over here it says between $4,600 to $74,000. Okay, that's pretty much on the extreme side, okay? But if you come down here and you take a look at how many views they're getting, basically shows that they're getting about 14 million views, just over 14 million views. If you do that at a $1 CPM, guys, that's $14,000 every single month. Not bad for a strategy where they don't need to create any of the content. They just need to put it together. And once they put this together, if they do their own voice overlay, or if they put a nice intro at the beginning, then YouTube can look to remonetize this, because what you've done with that content is you've repurposed it. So from here, guys, you can see here that there's other channels that are doing this as well, like this one over here called Best TikTok Compilations as well. They've got 2 million subscribers. When you come over here and have a look at their channel, guys, they're also monetized, okay? And when you have a look over here, they're earning anything up to $30,000 every single month. If you come over here and look at their views, if you halve that or look at that, they could be making anything between $5,000 and $10,000 every single month. Again, for repurposed content. And if you come over here, there are more channels that are doing this, guys, but I want to show you exactly how you're going to put all this together, how you're going to put these videos together so you can start earning these tens of thousands of dollars just like these channels are. And some of these channels didn't start that long ago. Some of these channels have only been doing this for the last, 6 to 12 months. And they're absolutely crushing it because TikTok is exploding and there's so much content. And some of these people are niching down to funny compilation videos, to trend compilation videos, so you can decide which way you want to go so that you can make money on YouTube. So if you come over to TikTok, guys, let's go over to my TikTok profile over here. I want to show you how you can potentially get any one of these videos, okay? Download these videos, remove the watermark, and then start to put these videos together so that you can create your own compilation video. And once you create your own compilation video, from there, you can upload these videos to YouTube, and then you can start to make money from YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, but there's an even better way to make money on YouTube, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So if you come over here, guys, this is my TikTok profile. I'm just going to turn my volume down because I'm going to click onto one of these videos, and I want to show you what you can do. So if you come over here and if you grab one of these videos, you can see I've got so many different videos, and it's very easy to get views on TikTok, which is why there's so much content. So if you come over here, let's say we click onto this video over here, for example, and as you can see, this video, I'm just going to pause it. It has a watermark over here, and as you continue to play this video, this watermark's going to move. It's going to move over here now, okay? So TikTok moves its watermark, and what's good about the strategy I'm going to show you is that you can remove this watermark, and then you can reuse this content, so YouTube won't know that you obviously got this, from TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to copy this URL, okay? So I'm going to do this with my video and show you a complete walkthrough. So you come over here, guys, you copy this over here. So we're going to copy that. Then from there, what you want to do is you want to come over to a site over here. It's called snaptik.app, okay? And then all you quite simply want to do is paste that URL in here. What this is going to do is it's going to download that video to your computer, and it's going to remove the watermark. So what we're going to do is we're going to download that. And as you can see, now that's downloading. Okay, so this video is downloading onto my computer. Once this downloads onto the computer now, I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to get this link and what software you're going to use to upload this so that you can make money on YouTube. So now that this video is downloaded, you can see here that the video has downloaded onto my computer. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to download some free software, okay? One that I recommend is this one over here called openshot.org, okay? Now this is a free software that you can use to put all this together. I'm going to show you where you can get royalty-free music and how you're going to put this together so you can upload this to YouTube. So from here, what you want to do is you want to go into any one of your software account. I'm just going to use my one over here called Camtasia, which is very, very similar to that software account that you're going to use. You don't need to use a paid software at all, guys. You can use one that's absolutely for free, okay? So as you can see, I'm just recording this video over here as we speak, all right? So I'm just going to move this over. Now from here, I'm just going to upload that file that I've downloaded, and I want to show you that the watermark has been removed. So I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to go to import. I'm going to go to media. Okay, I'm going to go to downloads over here. And this video should have been downloaded. So let's download this video over here. Okay, we're going to bring this down here. Okay, now as you can see, that is the video that I've now downloaded to this software. Okay, so if I play this, you're going to see that there's no watermark. Okay, so let me just play this very quickly. You can see that that watermark from there and that watermark from there has completely disappeared, okay? And you can do this with funny videos. You can do this with any types of videos. Now from here, something that's very, very important, guys, when you're downloading these different TikTok compilation videos, what you want to do is you want to edit the audio that's already on there, because if there's music that's currently playing on there, you need to get rid of that music, because what YouTube will do once you get monetized, they will have to pay whoever owns that music clip or whoever the creator or the owner of that music is. Your ad revenue, pretty much all of it is going to go to them. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to remove all the sound. Okay, so you just want to get rid of all the sound and you want to create your own, you want to put your own music on there, or you want to put your own voiceover that you create with your mobile phone or a microphone. It's up to you. Now I'm going to show you an example of somebody that's doing this and they're doing it extremely well. What you need is you need the funny clip. And then if you follow all the steps that I'm showing you here, you will get your channel monetized, okay? Because you're repurposing this content. You're making it your own and you're making it funny. So you want to remove that sound over there. So when you play this, there's no sound. Now, what you can do is you can come over to YouTube. Okay, now YouTube has its own audio library and you can get music from the audio library if you want to put some music on there, or if you want to put, light music on there, for example, in the background while you do your voiceover. Okay, so quite simply, if you come over here, let's not look for anything right now, but basically if you come over here, if we play this over here, let me just put up the volume over here so you can hear this. Okay, as you can see, that's playing. So all you would need to do, okay, is we're going to pause this. Is you come over here, you download this. We're going to download this clip. We're going to upload this clip onto this video, okay? So you can see exactly how this is going to work. So we're going to get rid of this. We're going to come back over to my video editing software over here. Let me upload this and we'll get back to the video. All right, so I've just gone onto my documents over here. So we're going to download that. We're going to grab that, guys. We're going to put that over here, okay? And now we're going to play this, okay? So you can imagine if you had something over here, people could be watching it, okay? Now, this is not going to get you into any trouble with YouTube. Now, from here, guys, you want to do potentially a voiceover. If it's a clip where you need to narrate something, then you can obviously record it. You can record it on your mobile phone and you can upload it to this video, okay? And then that content has been repurposed. Now, at the start of the video, you can look at creating an intro if you want. It's up to you. Or what you can do is just put some text overlay before the video starts, all right? Not that difficult to do. You can look at tutorials on YouTube. Very, very simple stuff, guys. Then from there, all you need to do is upload this clip onto YouTube. Or what you can do is download a lot more of these different clips. You can snip out, and use only, say, 10 seconds of a 30-second clip. You can use 20 seconds of a 1-minute clip. It's up to you. Put all these together and then you'll have a funny video that you can upload to YouTube. Let me show you an example of somebody that does this extremely well with these TikTok videos, and you're going to see exactly what I mean by this. So I'm going to come over here. This guy is known as Aussie Man Reviews, okay? And what someone's done is they've gone and they've taken his videos and they've just uploaded onto their channel, which I don't recommend because this is his content, but they've just gone and uploaded it. But I want to show you an example of it, okay? So I'm going to play this. I'm going to put the volume up so you can see exactly how you can do this. Then I want to show you how you can make even more money on YouTube with this strategy. So make sure you keep watching. You don't want to miss it. So let me play this and show you exactly what this person is doing. Now, this is someone else's video and he's got his, he's talking over the top of it.
Over there, all right? Yeah, okay, yeah, you Sheilas are going to choke. Oh, you're going to choke. No, all right, I got this. Oh, bit of a miss hit. Sorry about that, Jacob. Good work, though. You kept it in play. I'm proud of you. I got this. I'll set you up. Slam it. Come on. All right.
Now, as you can see, guys, he's got a video over here, and then this video over here goes for about 7 minutes, and he narrates all of this. I mean, take a look at this, okay? These are videos that I've seen, but what he's done is he's gone and taken these videos, he's talking over the top of them, his channel is fully monetized, okay? And these videos get millions of views, which means you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars without ever having to create your content, without ever having to show your face, and you can double down with the strategy that I'm going to show you now. So how are you going to make even more money on YouTube once you get these compilation TikTok videos onto YouTube, okay, guys? Well, very, very simply, what you want to do is you want to start adding links over here inside the description of these videos, okay, guys? Just like I do on my channel over here. As you can see, I've got multiple different, links over here on my YouTube channel where I promote different things. You can do the exact same thing, okay? And in order to get different products, because you have to remember, guys, this is completely automated. Once these videos end up on YouTube, okay, you're going to make passive income, both from ad revenue and with the strategy I'm going to show you now. And that strategy involves using potentially a site like clickbank.com or any affiliate marketing network, okay? ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketing networks, okay? And all you need to do when you come over to ClickBank is you can scroll down here on the left-hand side now. What you have to remember, with this strategy, you're doing something that's completely generic, okay? And what that means is you need to use a generic offer. And what I would be doing with this strategy is I'd be coming over here, I'd be clicking onto games. And as you can see, there are all these different types of games that you can promote that people can buy, okay? And all you need to do is reference it like I did at the start of this video for what I'm promoting on my channel, okay? And when you scroll down here, I mean, take a look at this. Somebody here is promoting FIFA 21 Future Millionaire. Trading at $117. There's another game over here for $24, $33. There's another one over here, Hayden's World of Warcraft. It's $265. Now, I want you to imagine something. You're promoting something for $265. If you come over to this channel over here, okay, if we click onto one of these videos, and you see here that this video, the last video that they created over here, has had 93,000 views, okay? And you reference back to the link in your description, okay? Let's have a quick look to see how much money you can potentially make, okay? So I'm just going to bring up my calculator over here. So if you take a look at this and you say that you've had 93,000 views, so 93,213 views. Now, we saw here that this product over here, guys, was selling for $265. Now, not everybody is going to click onto that link. Let's say that less than 1%, let's say that half of that, if we do this and you times this by 0.005, so 0.5% of the people click onto this link. From there, people that do click onto this link are generally more interested. Only 1% of people buy this product. So you times this by 0.01, okay, so only 1% of people go on to purchase out of that. This is extremely modest figures, guys. And you take a look at this, that's 4.6 people buy, and you times this by $265, okay? That means you've made over $1,235 just for one video. And you have to remember, this is passive income, okay? This video was only posted a few days ago, and they're going to post even more videos and more videos, and more people are going to potentially buy. Now, remember, I used less than 1% of people that click, which I know a lot more people click and a lot more people buy when they click onto it. But I wanted to show you very, very modest figures, okay? So you know exactly what's involved, and you can start to make some serious money on YouTube with this passive income strategy. Now, there's one more thing that you're going to need, guys, with this, and that is you're going to need to go and you're going to need to download this software called vidiq.com. I will have a link in my description that you can get this absolutely for free. And what this is going to enable you to do is to get these different tags that people use on their videos over here. Like this one over here is using all these tags. What you want to do is you want to have a look at all the tags that they're using, use a very, very similar title over here, get these videos downloaded absolutely for free, get these videos uploaded, create your own compilation. You're going to get better at this. And I promise you, within, 1 month to 2 months, as your channel grows and you start to get more money through your affiliate marketing, and then your channel gets monetized, you can absolutely crush it with this passive income model and make a lot of money online in 2021.